Hi there everyone. So today I want to talk to you about a really new cool feature that's just dropped on Skiff Mail called Quick Aliases, which allow you to generate aliases on the go without having to add them manually in Skiff, which is really cool. So to get this started and set up, you're going to want to find the Quick Alias tab in Skiff and then get started. And what's going to happen first is you're going to create a Quick Alias domain that is going to serve as the basis for all the aliases that you generate on the fly. So Skiff has given us Moon Eagle, but we can change this if we want, or randomize, see what we get. Anything good? Red Bow, Private Quiet, Key Fog. Let's just stick with that because it's pretty short. So we're going to activate that. So I'm going to copy this, and basically how this works is if I want to sign up for a site or a newsletter or anything like that, I can put anything I want in front of keyfog.maskmy.id, and it's going to be generated automatically as an alias in Skiff as soon as that receives an email, which is pretty cool. So let's see how this works. I'm going to finish here. So I'm going to sign up for my own newsletter. I'm going to fill in the information, and I'm just going to call this newsletter at keyfog.maskmy.id because this is my Quick Alias domain, and then I just put whatever I want in front of this. So this is not added as an alias in my Skiff account yet, but as soon as I get sent an email to it, Skiff is going to add it for me, so I don't have to add it manually, which is really cool. So let's just go here. It should come through pretty quickly. It's just refresh, and it says that there should be one here. There we go. So here we are. It sent it to my Quick Alias there, and the cool thing about this is you can also reply to it, so you can say thanks, and you can send from the Quick Alias. If you subscribe to the Pro plan or the Essentials plan, one of the paid plans, and you'll also be able to send a new message directly from your Quick Aliases as well. And if you have any problems and you start getting spam or things like that from or spam messages sent to one of your Quick Aliases, if you go into manage here, you can actually go ahead and you can disable or you can delete those aliases, so you won't end up with the spam kind of clogging up your inbox, which is really cool as well. So have you tried Quick Aliases in Skiff? If you have, what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Have a great day, everyone.